Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. If it's your first time on my YouTube channel, my name is Anne, and in today's video I'm going to show you this makeup look using all products from Maven Beauty. So it's actually such a soft but glam look, which I think is going to be perfect to wear like as bridal makeup, and I used all matte eyeshadows. So the first palette I'm going in with is the Maven Beauty Basic Beat eyeshadow palette in the color Medium Blend, and I'm gonna start mixing two shades together, and these two are gonna be my crease color. So I'm gonna blend this all the way in my crease, going from the inner corner to the outer corner, and I just really take my time with this. I start with not too much product and then I build it up by going in with more and more products. This is always kind of my thing with makeup. I always start with a little bit, then I go in with more, because you can always go in with more. Like if you have already applied a lot, you can't remove it anymore. So with everything I do when it comes to makeup, I always start with less and then I add more. This way you are kind of going to prevent making mistakes. So hopefully this trick is gonna help you guys. So now next I'm gonna go in with the Maven Beauty Basic Beat eyeshadow palette in the color Bold Blend. And I'm gonna mix two of these shades again. I'm mixing a lot of shades together, and these two colors are gonna go in my outer V of the eyelid. So I'm making circular motions in the outer part of my eyelid, and I really want to darken up this particular area of the eye look. If you've seen the eye look at the beginning, I really want the beginning part of the eye look to be kind of light, and the outer portion to be really smoky. So therefore we really want to focus some extra in this portion of the eyelid. And I always like to go in with a light shade first, then I go in with a darker shade, which is this mixture of the two shades I'm using right now. And then at the end I'm also going in with a black eyeshadow to make it even darker. So after blending this, I went in with the brush I used at the beginning, which didn't have like a lot of product on it, kind of blending around the edges. And then I went in with the Maven Beauty Basic Beat Cream eyeshadow in the color Alpaca. And this is a cream product. So I'm using a flat blending brush, and I'm kind of softly going to pack this on the eyelid. This is gonna leave me with a kind of blank space in the beginning part of the eyelid. Which is really nice. You could also go in like straight in with eyeshadow, but it's not gonna get as light as if you would use a light base underneath. So I really liked using this cream eyeshadow because it's gonna leave me with a nice base. And then I went in with the Maven Beauty Basic Beat eyeshadow palette in the color Soft Blend, and I'm using that light matte color. I'm gonna pack this right on top of where I used the cream eyeshadow, and you can see it already starts to look really nicely light. Also, because the cream eyeshadow is kind of like a creamy texture, it's also gonna be really long wearing, which is really nice as well. And I really like the effect that it gives, that you have that light pop at the inner part of the eyelid. It just gives a really cool effect. So now I'm going in with the Maven Beauty Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in the color Black. One of my favorite liquid liners. I really like that you can twist the outer end part of this eyeliner. So when the tip of the eyeliner is getting dry, you just twist the eyeliner and new product will run out, and this way your eyeliner will never dry out. I just think it's genius. And also this eyeliner is super black. It glides on easily and it gives really nice pigmentation, so I would definitely recommend. Then now I'm going in with the Maven Beauty Basic Beat eyeshadow palette in the color Divine, and I'm gonna go in with the black eyeshadow. I wasn't really sure when I started this eye look what I wanted to do, but I just felt like something was missing and I didn't want it to go in with a winged liner. So I decided to go in with the black eyeshadow and really smoke out that outer portion. So kind of dragging the eyeliner, almost like it seems like I did it like a smudgy wing liner, but in a more of a messy way, if that makes sense. I really like how easy it is because you can just kind of like sweep your brush back and forth. Of course, you want to make sure that you don't go up too high, but definitely give this eye look a try. It's one of my favorite eye looks to wear. I think it gives such a beautiful effect on the eyes, especially with that darkness in outer V. It almost kind of lifts the eyes in a certain way. This eye look is also really nice for people with hooded eyes. So now I'm going back in with the black eyeshadow and using a little bit of that underneath the lower lash line as well, and I'm stopping halfway the center underneath the eyes. I really wanted to focus at the outer part underneath the lower lash line. Then using a mixture of the shades I used in the crease earlier as well, and now I'm using these eyeshadows to blend out the lower lash line as well. And I'm also kind of blending towards the outer V since these shades are in my crease as well. Now going back in with that light color I used for all over the eyelid and popping a little bit of that in the inner corner. Then I went in with a brown pencil in the waterline that matches really nicely with the eyeshadows I used. And then for my last step, I'm going in with some mascara. And I also applied some fake lashes. But of course, if you recreate this makeup look, that's totally optional. And then here you have the finished result. I really love how this eye look turned out. I will make sure to put all the products in the description bar together with all the links. So if you want to purchase any of the Maven Beauty products I used today, I have everything linked down in the description bar. I really hope you like how it turned out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. That's really helpful for my YouTube channel, and this way I know whenever you like a video that I made. And yeah, thanks you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye!